Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 20th, 1918. Everything is concentrated in the will of God. Continuing in my usual state, I was saying to my sweet Jesus, how I would like to have your desires, your love, your affections, your heart, etc., to be able to desire, to love, etc., as you do. And my always lovable Jesus told me,
My daughter, I do not have desires or affections, but everything is concentrated in my will. My will is everything in me. One who cannot desires, but I can, in anything. One who does not have love wishes to love, but in my will there is the fullness, the fount of true love. And since I am infinite, in one simple act of my will I possess all goods which, overflowing from my being, descend for the good of all. If I had desires, I would be unhappy. I would lack something. But I possess everything, therefore I am happy, and I make everyone happy. Infinite means having the power to do anything, possessing everything, making everything happy. The creature who is finite does not possess everything, nor can she embrace everything, and this is why she contains desires, anxieties, affections, etc., which she can use as many steps in order to ascend to the Creator, lap up the divine qualities into herself, and be filled so much as to overflow for the good of others. But if the soul concentrates all of herself in my will, dissolving herself completely in my volition, then she will not just lap up my qualities, but in one single gulp she will absorb me into herself, and she will no longer have within herself her own desires and affections, but only the life of my will, which, dominating her completely, will make everything disappear from her, and will make my will reappear in everything.